I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You open OneNote and create a dedicated notebook for this course. Name it clearly so you find it fast. Once done, add sections for lectures, readings, and assignments to organize materials by purpose. Next, make a page template, date, topic header, and a tag row for action items and highlights. This gets you started immediately and ensures every lecture follows the same structure, which saves time when reviewing and searching later. You record audio during class and type or handwrite key points so you have synchronized notes to replay and refine. Then insert the professor's slides or screenshots directly into the page. Annotate them with pens or text boxes to connect lecture commentary to visuals. Use tags like important, question, and to review as you go so you can filter later. Once you tag and attach resources, make sure to sync the notebook to the cloud so nothing is lost and search works. You finish each lecture by writing 3 quick takeaways at the top so review sessions are efficient. Then export or share the lecture section as a PDF with classmates when needed, or link pages for group collaboration. If you encounter syncing problems, first check your OneDrive storage and account sign-in, then force a sync and restart the app. If that fails, export the page to PDF to preserve content before troubleshooting further. This closes the loop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.